baby, what a look. Killer shoes, some killer pants, a killer sweatshirt. Can you tell this video is sponsored by Reebok? What is up, you guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. And tonight we're trying something new. You guys know I'm always doing celebrity-inspired looks for less and crazy DIY videos. But today I thought instead of just dressing like a star, we would try to live like them too. I live in LA, the Kardashians live in LA, we're practically related. Just kidding, not really, but celebrities just have such killer bods, and with the workout classes literally in my backyard, I figured why not give them all a try. So this week I'm going to create a little video diary, seeing how the stars sweat their way to fabulosity, vlog style. So without further ado, here we go. I try a different celebrity workout class every day for a week. This is gonna be good. Alrighty, good morning. It is day one of our workout extravaganza. And like always, I show you my outfit of the day because everyone knows the best part about working out is the fashion. You guys probably think I'm kidding, but of course I am not. What's the fun of working out if you're not gonna be fashionable? So today we have our outfit of the day, and like I mentioned, this video is sponsored by the wonderful folks over at Reebok. So we have got a full Reebok fit today. We've got the sweatpants. Woo! Got a super cute little orangey sports bra. And of course, the true star of this video is not me, actually. It is these. These are the Reebok Sulfury sneakers. Oh my gosh, look at these. Reebok actually introduced the split cushioning technology in the early 90s and now is bringing it back. In addition to the cool neon ones, we have a couple of other style options, so you can see them here. So cute. They're super breathable, flexible, very modern looking, and not to mention lightweight and great for 360-degree motion. For jumping, great for running, great for posing in front of your mirror. And of course for looking stylish in our workout looks. As I would say, a certified look. So if you want to check out Reebok's new Sulfury kicks, you can click the link below at chance.com and you guys can shop my looks throughout the video. And on that note, we are going to head out and get started. So without further ado, let's go. Boop. Bum, 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 bum. Here we go to do. Boom. All right. Alrighty, it is bright and early. It is 8 a.m. and I'm here for the 8:30 class. Class number 1 is crew boxing, which is like a celebrity boxing class. You can see we already got my gloves on, which I'm actually a little nervous about because I have really long nails, so they did not warn me that I probably wasn't supposed to do that. But anyways, let's see what we can do. Oh, hi Angel, what a nice little surprise. Hi. Ooh, can you see me back there? All right. Ooh, let's do this. All right, here we go, yes. In typical me fashion, I made it a fashion show before the class started, but you can see I brought my bestie Helena along for the class, and it was so intense, such a fun way to get your anger out. The music was popping, the instructor was hot. I didn't film a ton of the class because I was wearing the gloves the whole time and couldn't really hold my camera, but I think I'm gonna die. Okay, so tell me what we just did.
So basically we just did crew box. If you don't know what crew box is,
it's hard.
To the beat of the music in the dark. She just kicked ass.
More like it kicked my ass completely. I'm like so sweaty, I'm gonna die, but it was fun. And yeah, thanks for being in the video.
Don't worry, good job, good job. Come check us out, crew box, Melrose and La Cienega.
Totally worth it. And now, time for a snack. Yes, post-workout snack. Acai bowls. So good. Alrighty, good morning guys. It is 9:30 a.m. It is Tuesday, and today we are going to, what does this even say? This says get hot, but I can't read because it's backwards in my frame. But we are going to do a hot Pilates class, so let's try this one out. Alrighty, we got hot Pilates. Alrighty, so here we go. We got my outfit of the day. You can see I have a little bit of a stain on my sports bra because I was carrying my water bottle with it. But here we go. We got my nice pink Reebok bra, black pants, and ooh. And then of course, again, we got the Sulfury kicks on. We got the black and white ones on today. So there we go. That's our fit of the day, except apparently you actually don't even wear shoes when you do Pilates. So we're gonna take those off and head into the class. To you go. You'd see the room all set up. We got all of the towels, all the lights. We were ready to go. We just had to grab some equipment. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the lightest weight because I'm lazy. So you can see it was kind of moody lighting in there. If you've ever done hot yoga, it was sort of similar to that. But basically we did a bunch of band exercises, a bunch of leg workouts, some arm workouts, and a bunch of reps of, well, whatever you even want to call this. Did I mention the room was heated? Probably, but yeah, I was so sweaty. Sweated so much, my outfit is, oh my god, look at the sweat pattern, that's hilarious. Wow. Okay, so you guys can't even tell because I dried myself off with a towel. I just sweat so much, like you can kind of see my sports bra is literally a different color because it's so wet and gross. But that was awesome. I feel so refreshed and zened and very hot. Look at this, I'm not even wearing hairspray. This is like sweat. I feel like you guys can smell me through the camera. That's how much I'm sweating. Not to mention I sweated off some of my eyebrow. Time for a shower. Oh my god, I can like barely walk. My legs are so sore. But booty on fleek though. Ooh, ooh. All right guys, it is day 3. It is Wednesday morning and today we are doing body by Simone class. Alrighty, let's see what's up. Ooh, she has a book and everything. Alrighty, well this is gonna be fun. Alrighty, so here's the classroom. Got this. We got the great natural lighting. It's so beautiful up here. Not to mention, ooh, look at my look looking fire. Hello. So, here's my outfit of the day. Woo. So here's what we're wearing today. We again got the black sports bra. Boom, and we got some killer cool pants, you know. Bringing back the sort of, I don't know, I feel like a little bit of a Richard Simmons video. The fabulous instructor.
Hi, my name is Tanya, and I'm an instructor at Body by Simone.
Cool, so can you tell us what the class is, what we're doing?
Yeah, so this is a full body dance cardio class. It's all based in dance cardio, but we will be doing elements of toning. So we'll do some arms, we'll do some legs, gotta get the core, and maybe some back as well.
Hell yeah, let's do it.
Well, Aletta always coming in clutch. She's gonna film me. Stay tuned for commentary.
I wasn't allowed to film the actual class, but Tanya was nice enough to stay after and redo a couple of the moves with me to show you guys what we did. It was so fun. You can see, basically we just played banger music and bopped around. It was so fun. Didn't even feel like you were working out because you were just dancing and having fun, though let me tell you, you could feel the burn the whole time. I was very tired. We did some arm workouts, some leg workouts, some ab workouts. Overall, it was an absolute blast. Definitely one of my favorite classes that I took. Despite the fact that, like I said, I was really tired. So, that was really intense, but it was so fun. That was such a fun class. I love dancing, but I'm gonna go ahead and use these as like a face thing. I am exhausted, really exhausted. I think my legs are gonna fall off. I may or may not fall down the stairs. So I will check up with you guys tomorrow for our next class, but for now, au revoir.
All my legs are going to fall off.
My legs are killing me. All right, guys, it is day 4. It is Thursday, and first of all, I am so tired. Wow, I am so sore, but today we are doing, as you can tell in the background, something very cool. Whoa! Do you guys know what this is? No, but I'll tell you. So today we are doing an aerial physique class, and we are going to learn the basics of silk training. So these are like silky scarf things, and we're getting a private lesson today. So here we go. Let's see, hopefully I don't die. Aletta's visiting.
Oh, hey.
Hey,
hello.
hey. And of course we got, boom, my look of the day, which is all black because that is a mood. Got my black sports bra, boom, my black pants, booty popping from the Pilates from yesterday, and of course, ooh, look at that, kids. We busted out our super cool kicks again. Neon, you know, adding a pop of color to black is very fun. More importantly, we've got, ta-da, our instructor, Jill, who's gonna show us, what are we gonna do today?
We are gonna learn how to go upside down. She's gonna look amazing. She's gonna do splits. We're gonna teach her how to climb and all these crazy things. It's gonna be super fun. You have to watch.
Oh God. So we are going to, like I said, hopefully not die, but you'll make sure we're gonna be good.
She's not falling. She's gonna be perfect. She's strong.
Cool. All right, let's get started. Okay, we're gonna try my first adventure. So Jill was nice enough to show us the moves and let me kind of show you guys my moves. So, welcome to the circus.
Put on your shoulder and then I'll help you to go over. Nice girl. You can open to the side. Look at you. That was her first try.
I'm in the circus.
All the blood is rushing to my head.
Woo, she did it. This was so out of my comfort zone, but it was so cool. Jill was nice enough to show us all of the ropes, literally, on how to do everything, and we just went for it. I was using muscles I didn't even know I had. And oh my goodness, oh boy, did you feel sore after this.
My hands hurt, my crotch hurts, my feet hurt.
Yes. Thank you for watching.
Oh, now that you've gotten a good chuckle out of me trying to do stuff, check this out.
Oh.
So beautiful.
Wow, what? Oh, I'm excited for whatever this is gonna be. What? What? Wow.
You make it look so easy, it's crazy.
I know, it's like I literally don't even understand. Like I'm dying when I'm just holding on to it and you're like spinning out. Wow. Oh, it's so beautiful. Wow. Well, that was the coolest thing I've ever seen. Round of applause! Woo! Yes, yes, crowd's cheering! So how long have you been practicing this?
I've been doing this for about 12 years.
Well, I've only got 12 more years till I could do that.
And
Thank you for teaching me. That was so fun.
Not as good as this, but she can get there. She just has to practice a lot.
Practice makes perfect, kids.
Go. What are you doing?
It's hard. I'm tired.
So after that, we went ahead and slipped on our Sulfuries again and went home for a little bit of relaxing until the next day. By the way, I forgot to show these earlier, so I'll dance around in them now. Oh, there's also the purple version of the Sulfury kicks. So pretty. I love it.
All right, guys, good morning. It is day 5 of the adventure. It is Friday morning. I'm literally basically standing on the street right now, but our last class is a class at a place called Rise Nation, so let's do it.
Alrighty, here we go. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, it's cool in here. Oh, alrighty, let's go. Oh, look how convenient. A mirror. So here's my outfit of the day. We're actually repeating an outfit. Don't worry, I washed it though, but I just thought it would be fun to wear the same outfit I wore on the first day on the last day to see if you guys can notice any difference. I don't know. I feel in shape, and that's all that really matters anyway. Whoa, so this is the classroom. So cool. Apparently this is like a stair stepper class, so we are going to be stepping on the stairs. So you can see they literally blacked out the whole room and then it turned into like an electro dance party. It was so fun. The music was crazy and we were just stepping. Kind of hard for you guys to see, but it was literally like a wild dance party. And I thought I sweated a lot in the hot yoga class. No, I sweated in this class. It was honestly disgusting. I was so gross after this.
Well, as you can see, I just sweated to death. That class was awesome. Honestly, I need to go home and sleep. I've been joking all this week that my legs are gonna fall off, but like, I really think that they're gonna fall off now.
I'm not gonna lie, my neon Sulfuries kicked butt in this class. Good work. Peace out, workout. See you next time. Whew.
I'm taking a 10-hour nap. I'm so tired. So what I failed to mention in this video is I think you are supposed to take a break while you do these workout classes. Like I don't think you're supposed to do them one after the other back to back because I feel like I am going to die. My legs hurt, my feet hurt, my back hurts, my face hurts. Literally all of me is in pain. But aside of the physical soreness, I gotta say, I feel so mentally awake. Like it was honestly almost addicting to take these classes. Like I would wake up in the morning and it was like, I was excited to go to them, question mark, question mark. Like the endorphins that your body releases, it's honestly like a natural high. I was so awake all day long and now I think I'm probably gonna keep going to them. Who would have thought? And at night, I slept like a literal rock every night. I was so tired. Even right now, I'm like really tired. And you guys know, as someone who literally never takes workout classes, this whole thing was kind of like totally out of my comfort zone, but it was so fun and definitely would recommend it. Totally put such a unique spin on my week. I like don't even feel like myself. I feel like a new improved version. Definitely not
easy classes. There's a reason these celebs look so good. Those were hard, hard, hard. I don't think you can really get in shape in a week, but I feel really great in my own skin, which is obviously the most important thing. So, and I don't know if it was all the sweating or what, but I feel like I look glowier and more awake. Again, of course, huge shout out to Reebok for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys for making me look fabulous in all of the classes. And of course, if you guys want to shop any of my looks, especially the super cool sneakers, you can click the links below to shop my looks. And of course, I will be seeing you guys next time. I love you, my sweet, beautiful, fabulous, now somewhat athletic baby angels. XO. Sweat so much in there, I think my eye, oh, yep. My eyelash did fall